Nandito tayo sa Hayward Market. And then it's already in the afternoon, 12 p.m. So we order some fried noodles here, and they are making the noodles. This is how they do it. Bago kami pumunta sa Montreal. Yan. Look. Yan ang paggawa ng noodles. Sushi Zone and Ramen Stop Unit number 12. Yeah. Galing kami sa Rideau Canal, the longest ice rink. Ramen ito. Para tayo nasa Japan. Right? Yun. Nice. That's it.